Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I wanted to review this set of wheels that I've ordered from eBay. It costs about 4 US dollars and it includes the shipping. For today's review I will use this Hot Wheels Mercedes-Benz. It is a nice car but the wheels need some replacement and I think this style of wheels will suit this little car way better. Having a quick look at the instructions, let me now just take this label off and see if I'm not missing anything. And yeah, it's a very predictable way to assemble all these parts together. Now let me just take off the base of this car. I will drill the posts and I will be back in a minute. Okay, after separating the base from this car, I will take these wheels off and I will examine the set here. You can see it has some very small parts and you can lose them very easy if you're not careful. Now check out this very highly detailed set of parts. For each wheel you have a tiny disc brake and also red caliper. And the tires are made of rubber and the threads are highly detailed as well. The shiny rim is actually a real aluminum piece and the set can be ordered in a red insert part and also black like mine, and I think there's also silver and kind of goldish inner part as well. By the instructions I see the two-piece wheel is joined together by super glue, so I have to use my super glue on the black piece and then join it with the rim itself. I call this type of wheels solid axle wheels because the rims are attached to the axle itself and the wheels are not going to spin on the axles. Instead, the axles are going to be spinning on the base itself. Therefore, it is not going to be a fast car. And also, the rubber tires create more drag on the surface they are spinning on. So this car is going to be obviously displayed and not going to be played with. Now I can only guess that after attaching the axle to the black rim, this axle goes through here. It is very simple and also effective because in this way the axle can still spin. Right before attaching the disc brakes and calipers, I have to prepare the surface of this base for the parts that I'm going to attach to them. Now here you can see the disc part here, and it has this tiny pin, and I can only assume that I will need to drill a place for each one of them. I know that these kind of builds are not the ones you are used to see on my channel. However, this set was lying on my desk for almost 2 weeks now, and I wanted to try to see how they fit together. Plus, it took almost 1 month until I received this set, and I wasn't too sure that I will receive it anyhow. Going by the instructions, I'm using a little bit of super glue here, and I'm joining the two pieces together. Okay, so now the pieces are joined together, and you can see it is a deep dish rim, but not too deep, and I wish it was a little bit more deeper, but that is that. Okay, so now I'm assuming that these two parts will fit in this way, and the disc is floating inside the rim. This set of axle is a little bit wider than the original one, therefore I need to make some room for the larger axles. So I'm using my Dremel here, and I will also use it on the inner part of the interior piece. I've drilled extra set of holes because I got confused for the position of the calipers, and now I'm fixing this issue, and it is not too much of a big problem. I have to be very careful not to use too much of super glue because I will accidentally glue the disc brake to the inner part of the rim. And now after attaching the wheels, I have to check if they're turning smoothly, and they seem to be quite okay. Now I see that the white part is catching the wheels a little bit, and I need to make some room for the wider axles. And it is very easy to do. It's a little bit of trial and error, of course. Okay, so now that I'm almost done installing this set of wheels, I have to make some notes about this set. First of all, it is very highly detailed. However, it's a little bit more pricey, and I think it is because it has more parts. Second, it will take you probably twice the time to install them correctly. But like all the things in life, practice makes perfect. Oh, and one final thing about choosing the right color for this set. Don't buy the black one because I think the silver one and the gold one will pop out way better than the black ones. You can also buy a red set if that's your choice. But anyhow, it is a nice set overall. I will leave a link down below on where you can find yourself this kind of wheel set, and you can recommend down below if you want to offer something else. After seeing the black rims on the black Mercedes, I decided to try them on this BMW. Now let me show you in light how you can see the calipers inside the rims, and I think it is nicer to see it on this red BMW. Here I wanted to show you another BMW I have with gold wheel set, and I think they are nicer. So my recommendation is you can order this set. Please don't use the black ones as I did. And if you have any other set to suggest from other brands, please do so at the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.